Want to keep track of who views your TikTok profile? Here's how you can enable profile view history on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap on the three lines in the upper right corner to open the Settings and Privacy menu. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. Then, look for the Profile Views option and open it. To enable this feature, tap on the toggle button next to it. This will allow you to see who has viewed your profile in the last 30 days. Keep in mind that others will also be able to see when you've viewed their profiles. Now, I'll show you an easier and quicker way to enable profile view history. Go back to your profile's main page. Find the icon in the upper right corner and tap on it. Here you can also turn on profile view history by tapping the Turn On button. And that's it! You now know how to enable profile view history on your TikTok profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.